Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright. Thank you. Okay, so I would like to show you this movement I was in the key of F. So we've not dropped our contemporary, we'll still have it, alright? Okay, so but today we're gonna go we are going African. Okay, so I was in the key of F, like I said. So the song, the main part I was in was, when the Spirit of the Lord is upon my soul. So I was in, upon my soul. So what's that? So that's a 3. Okay, so when the Spirit of the Lord, so I went from 1 flat 7 to 6. I'll still show you the chords. Then to 2, then to 5. So it could be 1 flat 7 to 6, then 2 to 5, or it could be 3 to 6, 2 to 5. So if you don't understand 3 to 6, that means you don't understand music theory. So you should put that in the comment section. I will send you the video you need to watch. Alright, so 3, 6, 2, 5. So these are basically tritone voicings. So the one on, let's do 3, 6 now. So the one on 3 goes in the key of F, I told you already. So we have a E on the left, we have a G and C sharp on the right. G and C sharp on the right. Then it goes down when it goes to 6. Your 6 is D. Then on right you have a F sharp and C. Then for your 2 we have a F and B tritone. Then for your 5, which is C on the left, we have an E and B flat, then 1. So when the Spirit of the Lord is upon my spirit, upon my, so da da da, da 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 da. So that's basically what I was doing. So sorry. So then I'm doing, if you notice, I'm doing the inversions. Is it that I'm doing this or I'm doing this? So that's just inversions. Whether this or this, inversions. This or this, inversions. C and F sharp or F sharp and C. Same thing. So F and B flat or F and B or B and F, same thing. So 3, 6, 2, 5. Right, so that's it. So don't forget to click the subscribe button for many more and get my piano courses on the seller store in the about section of this channel. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.